Next topic is based on superposition theorem. Okay, superposition theorem is important topic, and in this we should know the concept of nodal analysis. Okay, now superposition theorem will use when we are having more than one source available. Why is it so? That you'll get to know when more than one source is present in the question. Okay, we have to keep one source, first source, and we have to kill other sources in this. Killing other sources means, what do you mean by the killing other sources? If there is a voltage source, then that need to be short circuit. Okay, and if there is a current source, then that need to be open circuit. Short circuit means, like I told my students, just imagine that voltage source is just like your relative, the relative which you don't like. Okay, so when you see that relative is coming in your home, what will you do? Open the door or shut the door? The relative which you don't like, you will shut the door, right? That is short circuit. And current source is just like your girlfriend. Okay, current is female, girlfriend is also female, voltage is male, relative is also male, like you can consider for remember purpose. So girlfriend, for your girlfriend, tell me, you will open the door or shut the door? Hmm, obviously for your girlfriend you will open the door, right? So current source should be open circuit and voltage source should be short circuit. I am taking one simple example to explain how we can solve it for superposition theorem. Like, as you can see that how many sources are available in this question? Tell me, how many sources are available? Hmm? Two sources. One is voltage source, another one is current source. So in the first step, we have to keep first source, okay, and kill other sources. Other sources means if there are three sources, then we have to keep only first source, the other two sources will be killed. Okay, so in this case, keep first source means this is the first source, 10 volt, correct? We have to keep this source, and other one is current source. As I told you, current source must be open circuit. Okay, so in this case current source must be open circuit, and in this we need to calculate the current in 4 ohm branch, right? So we can mark it here I. So simply you can mark it here I dash. Okay, now your main focus is to calculate I dash. Here it is 10 volt, here it is 3 ohm, and here it is 4 ohm. Okay, I dash is how much? That is V divided by R. V is how much? 10 volt, and resistance is how much? 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. So we can simply calculate I dash. Now you can calculate this I dash by any one of the method, by using nodal analysis, by using KVL, or by using KCL. Clear? Now in the first step done, tell me if there is any doubt. Like in short, I am telling you, we have to keep the first source, okay, and another sources must be removed. Now tell me what we need to do in the second step. Tell me, in the second step we have to keep second source and kill other sources. Okay, second source 8 ampere will remain as it is. Kill other source means this time first source will be removed, and if it is the voltage source, then that must be short circuited, and this time we'll mark I double dash. Clear? Now we have to calculate I double dash by any of one of the method. You have first option, either you can apply nodal analysis, or you can apply KVL, or you can apply current division rule. Okay, so in the first, in these, from these three methods, I'll suggest you to apply nodal analysis. Now this one is how much? We can consider it as VA node. This one is I1, this one is I2, right? So at node VA, I1 is equal to I double dash plus I2. Okay, I1 is how much? That is 0 minus VA divided by the resistance 3. I double dash is how much? VA minus 0 divided by 4. I2 is how much? Can you tell me the value for I2? As you can see that this is the current source, right? So I2 value is how much? Tell me. Hmm? I2 value is how much? Minus 8 ampere, because both are moving in the opposite direction. I2 is moving up to down, 8 ampere is moving down to up. So we can simply solve it. We'll get the value of VA, then after solve we'll get the value of I double dash, right? So in the last step, what we need to do, I is equal to I dash plus I double dash. I dash we have calculated in the first step, right? I double dash we have calculated in the second step. Now we just need to simply add with each other. That would be the current in 4 ohm branch. So I'm revising what we need to do in superposition theorem. We need to keep in the first step only keep first source, okay, and kill other sources. In the second step we need to keep second source and kill other sources. If there are third step, three sources are there, then we need to keep third source and kill other sources. So at a time there would be only single source. There would be only single source should be present, okay. And you can see that every time I mark the direction in same, like in this also I1 is moving up to down, in this also I1 I dash is moving up to down, in this case also I double dash is moving up to down, right? So if all the direction is same, then only current is added with each other, okay. So it's preferable to take always same direction. Got it?